They're not out to take their guns away. This couple did the exact right thing with their guns, and they took their guns away. They sent the police in to take their guns away, and then they charged them for using their guns in the right way to defend their lives and their property. There you have it. 3 biggest news stories of the week. Thank God the Missouri Attorney General, who outranks, of course, the DA of St. Louis, says he's going to dismiss the junk charges against the McCloskeys. Thank God. St. Louis prosecutors on Monday filed charges against Mark and Patricia McCloskey. They're each facing 1 count of unlawful use of a weapon. Wow. I always tell you that laws against guns are turned against nice people who have done nothing wrong. I tell the story all the time of a kid who got in a fight with his wife. Young kid, like 25 years old, married for 2 years, gets in a fight, and the wife and him decide we're getting a divorce.